Thengia ya sekta ya githomo gukorwo ikigairwo kigina kiria kinene makiria hari mahuthiro ma thirikari. O mwaka arugamiriri a mathukuru makoretwo magiteta kurumirira gucerithirio gwa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo. Mwaka wa 2025 onaguo ndurari ngurani, no thengia ya mateta maya thiri wa thirikari kuri mathukuru no kuongerereka urongerereka.
Muturekererie mbeca cia cukuru niguo ciana icoke cukuru tukenne ni tondu turi hatariririe o kwa ihinda rĩigana kuringana na uria guikarite.
Mwaka uyu nditi nene iragumeire arutwo thiini wa ngathi cia mathomo ma iguru kurumirira mugomo wa arutani na aruti wira a university rungu rwa ciama cia UASU, KUSU na KUTHEIHA.
So the three unions are meeting tomorrow and River Nile will reach the Mediterranean Sea.
Mugomo uyu wacungiriirio ni kwaga kuiguithanirio kwa ukinyaniria wa ngirimiti ya uruti wa wira ya mwaka wa 2017 2021 ciama cia UASU, KUSU na KUTHEIHA igikinyira thire wa shiringi bilioni 7.9.
Until now we cannot tell you for sure how much we owe, but by the time we get back to court tomorrow we should have a figure that has been confirmed by the universities that has already been paid out of the alleged 7.9, or is it now 7.7 billion?
When did they realize that their figures are wrong? That now they are requesting finance officers and vice chancellors to give them accurate data by end of business today. Tumewashika.
Tariki 5 mweri muhituku nirio ngirimiti njeru yekaniriirwo kirore gatagati ga ciama ici na ministry ya githomo thutha wa kuiguithaniria uria mbeca ici ikurihwo na uguo gukinya muthia mugomo uria woire thiku 49.
The unions accepted the two phased payment, first payment of 3.85 billion towards the end of this year and after the first supplementary, and the second payment will be in the financial year of 2026-2027.
We consider the firm commitment by the National Treasury in Parliament and balance against the interest of more than 600,000 students and the survival of our education sector in this country. UASU has made concession and hereby calls off the strike.
Hamwe na magi maria ministry ya githomo irakinyaniirie mwaka uyu ni igeranio ithatu cia muthia wa mwaka uyu kanju ya igeranio ikiandikithia na mbere nene muno ya arutwo aria marandikithitio gwika igeranio ithatu iria ni KPSEA, KJSEA na KCSE. Ona kuhanora uguo igeranio iria ikoretwo ikimurikwo makiria ni cia arutwo aria mararikirie kirathi kia grade ya 9 KJSEA mehaririine ma kwamukira arutwo aya thiini wa senior school mwaka ukite. Kwa ihinda riri mutaratara uyu kigumirwo ni NDITI kihiri kurumirira mateta ma arutwo kwaga kuiganira na thukuru iria metitwo.
There are those who are interested in changing from STEM to social sciences. Others want to change from social sciences to STEM, and others want to change from STEM to arts and sports, and vice versa. So we have requests across the board and from all over the country.
Thutha wa kuhingurwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 kuri aciari gwikia ihoya ria gucenjia thukuru ici, makiri ma arutwo ni meyumiritie makienda mweke ngurani mihang'o iria tanyitwo kurikirira kiumia giukite mbere ya arutwo aya kuingira thukuru-ini cia senior school kiumia gia keri mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite.
Depending on the availability of vacancy, availability of the pathway, we shall give everybody equal chance. So I'm confident the 7-day window is sufficient. And after the 7 days, we shall review as ministry to be able to see whether that is sufficient or there will be need for more time.
Grade 10 learners will be expected to report to their respective senior schools starting from the 12th of January 2025.
Haduine Hakameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wandiro.